You don't need a film crew anymore. You need this chair. I can't draw. I can't animate. I can't run a film crew. Yesterday I made this anyway. This is Agent 1, Invideo's new AI film agent. And here's the part nobody explains right. Left side, I sound like I'm filing taxes. Right side, I sound like I'm texting a friend. Yeah, that. AI finally learned how to take notes, which means you're the director now. That chair, it's yours. Quick note on what this is. Agent 1 isn't for one prompt, make me a cat dancing clips. It's built for serious projects. Filmmakers with a story, agencies with a campaign, production teams with a deadline. People who'd normally be juggling 4 tools and a Notion doc. So that's the lens for the rest of this video. Invideo is sponsoring this video. I'll show you what worked and what didn't. Quick context. I wrote a children's book a while back about a tiny iceberg named Chip. A storm tears him from home. He's alone, scared, drifting into warmer water. And the only way back is to change shape. He becomes water, mist, cloud, snow, and falls home. And that's the test. Most AI can't keep a character recognizable across 2 shots. So can this thing actually hold Chip together while he literally changes form? This panel on the right is the agent's memory. Everything I just uploaded is sorted, ready to use. From now on, I never explain Chip again. Not the character, not the tone, not the look. If you've ever used ChatGPT for anything creative, you know the feeling. You spend 20 minutes explaining what you want, you finally get a good answer, you open a new chat the next day, and you have to do all of it again. Imagine if you didn't. Trick I learned the hard way. Ask for a grid. 4 looks in 1 image. Decide in 30 seconds. Lock it, move on.
Now we're going to generate a character sheet for Chip. Front view, 3/4 view, side view. Single iceberg, our locked style. And we'll wait for it to render.
Cute. Not what I want. He's the smallest one. He's fragile. That's the droplet. And that's still Chip. I didn't re-describe him. Here's the thing I want locked in early. What makes Chip Chip is his eyes. Solid ice, water droplet, snowflake. Whatever shape he's in, the eyes are how the audience knows it's still him. Lose the eyes, lose the story. Okay, step 1 works. The real test is still coming. Once the style is locked, the world builds itself. 12 places in 15 minutes. Actually, the sky in the warm water beats is too cheerful. I want a copper sunset across the whole second act. Not the storm, not the home shots, just the warm side of the line. That's the part that's hard to explain until you see it. 1 sentence. It knew which shots were in the warm water act and which weren't. If you've ever directed a production team, that's the note you'd give in a review session. Now you give it to the agent, and the agent does the runner work. This is where it stopped feeling like a tool. The first agent has everything. Chip, the world, the look. The second one inherits all of it and only handles video. They work in parallel. That's 2 people on your crew. Both already know the script. Neither one is making you repeat yourself. It caught it before I did. It checked its own work against the rules I locked in earlier and said, hey, this drifted. That's the part I keep underselling. First take, I lost his eyes in the mist, so I gave 1 note. That's the shot the whole short is built around. And what I just did, pushing back with 1 sentence and getting a better take, is what I've never been able to do with any other AI tool. Most of them, you start over. With this one, you give a note.
Where do snowflakes go? Chip wondered. The others called it the line. Nothing that crossed it came back. But Chip wanted to know. One night, Chip's world tilted. A great storm pulled him south. He tried to swim home, but the water grew warm. That night, he dreamed. He slipped beneath the surface and felt himself everywhere at once. He was bigger than he knew. He was not a tiny iceberg after all. He was the ocean itself, pretending to be ice for a little while. The next morning, he reached the line. He started to come apart, but he was no longer scared. He remembered what he was. He became water, then mist, then cloud. From the sky, he saw the ocean below. He returned as snow. Snowflakes don't disappear, Chip thought. They change.
Okay, the real review. 3 things that surprised me, 2 things I want fixed. 1. Chip stayed Chip through every shape. Didn't think that was possible yet. 2. The 2 agents in parallel thing is genuinely faster. 80% of this short was done in 1 afternoon. 3. The agent's memory means I never re-explain anything. Sounds small. It is not small. What I want fixed. First, some video generations took 10 or 15 minutes. Plan to walk away and come back. Second, you can see credits per generation if you click in, but I'd love a project level counter for the whole build. Invideo says both are being worked on. Take that however you want. And look, this is a premium tool. It costs more than the one-prompt generators, but it's replacing a huge chunk of the manual work serious creators were doing anyway. The prompting, the tool switching, the production grunt work between idea and finished cut. But even with the rough edges, this is the first AI tool that felt like a collaborator instead of a vending machine. I wrote Chip a while back and I put him in a drawer because I didn't think I could make him real. He didn't disappear in the end. He remembered what he always was. And I think that's what all of us are doing right now. The world is moving fast. What we're capable of is changing. And if part of you still says, I'm not a filmmaker, I don't have a story to tell, you do. You always did. You just forgot. The chair is yours. AI generates. You choose. If you want to try it on something real, it's at ai.invideo.io. Turn on agent mode. Links in the description.